It's a rainbow. It's a rainbow. A beautiful rainbow in the sky. 7 colors in the rainbow. The first one said, I am red like an apple. The second one said, I am orange like a carrot. The third one said, I am yellow like a sun. The fourth one said, I am green like a leaf. The fifth one said, I am blue like a sky. The sixth one said, I am indigo like a plum. The seventh one said, I am violet like grapes. The colors of the rainbow. There is a rainbow in the sky. Do you know how it came by? Drops of water through sunlight gave the sky a pretty sight. 7 colors can be seen. Red, yellow and lovely green. Violet, indigo, orange and blue in it too. I see a rainbow in the sky. I see a rainbow way up high. I see a rainbow, look with me. How many colors can you see? I see red, orange, yellow, green, blue and indigo. Violet too. Thank you for watching.